Okay, so we are back. BTC, XRP to BTC, trade entered on the 27th of April, entry point 2653. In the last one I showed, I moved my stop loss up to 2760. I have another green candle forming here. The time is just on 9 p.m. UTC. In another 3 hours this candle will finish forming. 2 green candles in a row again. Move my stop loss up to the low of this candle, which is 3340, to lock in even more profits. I've already moved my stop loss up to the low of this green candle, which is the second green candle above my entry of 2653. XRP and BTC looking good. With 3 hours I will move my stop loss up to the low of this green candle. The other trade I am in is Luna to BTC, 25th of April. And I entered. Entry price is that yellow dotted line, 31135. Finally today, 18th of May, a second green candle above entry point. Will move my stop loss up to the low of this green candle when it finishes forming in about 3 hours. Currently the low is 33554. Luna to BTC. Considering entering on DASHBTC. The red line is the 50 EMA, which is crossing over the 200 EMA. Crossed here on the 4th of May. Entry looks good. It's currently moving within this channel. Let me put this up. Currently in between this channel. Looks like a good entry. Might wait for this candle to form and tomorrow to see what the next candle is like. If it's a green one above this one, then probably will enter around here. Dash to BTC, and I will plan the trade out from there. On the RSI, relative strength index, not too bad, but we'll see tomorrow if there's another green candle here. And that is Dash to BTC. Quick look at BTC to USD, Bitcoin to US dollar. More red candles. Support here at around 42. Just touching the green 200 exponential moving average. It was previous resistance here. Hopefully more support here at 42. And we move back up from there. So apart from trading, also involved in yield farming and staking. One of the platforms is the decentralized exchange Pantherswap. Current APR of 1054.6 0.74% for Pantherswap, Panther to BUSD. There are different options available. I like Pantherswap because it is an audited dApp. The tech rate audit report is available and the CertiK audit is currently in progress. It also has an anti-whale feature, so large transfers of money cannot be taken out at one time. You can check all of this under the docs on Pantherswap. There is an IPO in about an hour or so. The first IPO on Pantherswap for AutoShark, which is a yield optimizer that works much like BunnySwap does for PancakeSwap. That is the process. You need Panther and BNB tokens. In order to get in on the AutoShark IPO. Also involved in this fairly new dApp, which is Papayaswap. So the APRs are still quite high. There are two tokens on Papayaswap, Papa and Yaya tokens. I'm currently yield farming Papa BNB and Yaya BNB. The APRs are quite high, 1645 and 1840. Yield farming on Papayaswap. This is another dApp that you can check up on dApp Radar, audited by CertiK. Some unique features includes NFTs. There's an NFT market. It's basically gamified DeFi, so it has that gaming element to it, which I think is pretty cool. Again, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research. The APRs are still quite high, and you can boost your returns by leveling up. So I just leveled up to from level 0 to level 1 today. Level limit is 20, and you can level up using the token Yaya, and this will increase your percentage returns when you stake and yield farm. So this is another decentralized app on the Binance Smart Chain. You can check up on it on dApp Radar. And this is the staking pools. APRs again still quite high because it's still a young project. I think less than a week old. So high risk but high return. Also, again, not financial advice. Do your own research. These are the unique features of Papayaswap. So there was no early investors, no pre-farming, no reserving. 100% fair launch on the Binance Smart Chain. So everybody had an equal opportunity to get in. It's about 5 days or so ago. Gamified experience. Also NFTs are available, and there's 2 tokens. On dApp Radar, I highly suggest you do some of your research here. PancakeSwap is still number 1. In rankings, this is overall for all dApps, not just DeFi dApps. Pantherswap is number 12 on dApp Radar. Again, all dApps, not just for DeFi. So fairly strong projects. And again, Pantherswap is launching their first IPO in about an hour or so from now. So I have my liquidity pool tokens ready to commit once the IPO opens, for everybody to get in and get Shark tokens, which will be going for $1 each, and there will be 1.5 million Shark tokens available, and they hope to raise 1.5 million minimum on AutoShark. Papayaswap is number 25 on dApp Radar, slowly but steadily moving up, still early. There's a lot of other DeFi projects that you can get into, but please do your own research. The ones I like currently are Pantherswap, Papayaswap. Of course, Pantherswap, which is still number one, so the APRs are down. Again, I'm getting in on this IPO auto shock, which will be happening in less than an hour. So that's it for trading and yield farming and staking for crypto income, and see you in the next one.